been in a couple Olympic finals and a couple World Championship finals. I couldn't sleep the night before. You think this guy didn't sleep last night? 9-6 Usain Bolt, 9-7 Asafa Powell, 9-7 Tyson Gay. So this is history already before
the time. Former world record holder Asafa Powell, American record holder, defending world champion.
Usain Bolt has the least to fix. The gentleman to his right have to summon something with Usain Bolt tonight.
Set.
There's the start, and Bolt got a good one, and Gay's right with him, and so's Asafa Powell. Bailey's there too, but here's Bolt. Bolt charging to the front. Gay's coming, but can't catch him. Usain Bolt, look at the time, 9:58, world record.
I told you, Tom Hammond, we were going to see a 9-5 tonight. The wind is okay. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, it is into a headwind. There is no one on this planet or any other one that we know of that has ever run that fast. And now we get an update on the wind, and it is in fact legal.
Yeah, wagwan good people, today is another episode. We're meeting again. Thank God for the gift of life. So today I've been in the internet, and I found a very interesting topic, and I think we should talk about it. First, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, because here is the place where we take the real talks. We don't filter anything. We say the way it is and the way it should be told. So good people, thank you for the subscribing. Wagwan. And without wasting much time, we're going to talk about today a legend in Jamaica who's best known for running. I know you have a hint of who I'm going to talk about. That is none other than Usain Bolt, the runner, the athlete. And I think he has changed Jamaican forever. He's the fastest man on earth, an Olympic legend, but to Jamaica, Usain Bolt is something far more powerful. Today, we're not just talking about medals and world records. We're talking about how one man forever changed the identity, the pride, and the global image of an entire nation. This is the real story of the one and only legend in Jamaican, Usain Bolt. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's meet after the videos of the one and only Usain Bolt. And after the videos, we're going to talk about it and maybe give out your opinions. So folks, big up yourself, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Usain Bolt is a much better person than me, because if I was in his position, when you go low, I go underground. Did me name Usain Bolt? There is not an international news media that I would not be on. There is no international channel that I would not be on to talk about the injustice that is being done to me in the country that I have represented and put my life on for. There is no newspaper that I would not be plastered on the front page, lambasting every single one of you for what has been done to me. The money that he has worked so hard for a little bit and a grow, that he has put his body on the line for, that he has represented an ungrateful country for. And now, the little talking talk, every time he open him out just a little bit, he gets attacked for defending himself rightfully. If I didn't mean for him position, what dirty me dirty uno up? What dirty me dirty uno up? Attacking his family and spreading rumors. There is nothing that you people will not do for the sake of politics. Jamaicans on a whole are very much concerned about what the outside world thinks of us, instead of trying to fight any little injustice. And you all don't look at the fact that if they can do to Usain Bolt what they are doing to him, what then do we do with your $5 in our bank? What do they do to you with the little chump change what you're having in the bank? And they're doing that to him, somebody who has put this country on the map, literally as big as Bob Marley. I mean, not exaggerate. You know, me not exaggerate when I travel around the world. Like two people they know Usain Bolt and they know Bob Marley. tell you something. I used to feel a way, about Merlin Atty, So Merlin Atty really leave Jamaica and go and represent another country, But believe you me, now when me see when they do to Usain Bolt, and that thing should I do. He invested in Jamaica. He stayed in Jamaica. He could have make it big anywhere else. He would have bigger if he did go somewhere else. What they would have done for him. And he chose Jamaica. And he chose to invest in Jamaica. And he chose to live in Jamaica. And do not turn him to a dirty and grateful self and do what do to him. But him a better somebody than me. And that me I tell you now.
Who's the fastest man in the world?
That's me. I mean, that's what the title says.
But if I look at Usain Bolt's time, is he still technically?
Hey, you're talking about records now. You're asking who the world record holder. We've always given the title of fastest man to a world champion and an Olympic champion. It's just so happens for the last 4, 8, 16 years that was Bolt. He had both. Usually, you don't always have the person that has the world record and the title at the same time, but we've in the sport of track and field have always given it to the title of who has the Olympic 100-meter men's gold medal and who has the world championship 100-meter men gold medal.
How long do you think it'll take for somebody to surpass Bolt's time in the 100 meters?
I'm trying to get it done as soon as possible. Unfortunately, I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't tell you an exact date. But I mean, as athletes, we're always looking to improve ourselves, and we're always looking for greater challenges. And I think everybody sees the world record as one, as incredible, and two, as I want that to be me.
When I saw the race yesterday of young Kishan, that's his name, Kishane Thompson, doing 9.77. I was watching a video before of an American commentator saying, "We're coming for you, Jamaica." Because obviously they were all hearing the news that our athletes were injured and possibly not running. So they felt that, they have a good chance. Of course, one commentator was saying, hey, don't do that because these Jamaicans, their talent pool is deep. And of course, so said, so realized, our talent pool is deep. And I want to encourage our athletes to continue to do well, continue to make Jamaica proud.
Me people, you know see how life go? Look how hard Usain Bolt run for Jamaica, right? And now the man come talk about him money again after him money get missed up for so long and he no get back $1 out of him money, right? And when Usain Bolt go up on the fix and go talk about him money, now we have this person now from the political body as well. I go turn around and ask Usain Bolt, say, did you get advice from or directive from the government, directly or indirectly, regarding making the investment where the man put on him money? The investment you made and then lost, was it all privately done? Have you sued the person who managed your affair? These questions if answered. You know see why Jamaica is the most corrupt country in the world? Is one of the most corrupt country in the world. Because what is the financial services body there for? Where them did it for? Now if you protect people who invest their money in a legit company that is governed by the financial body, then if Usain Bolt investing money in that such company, and an investment which you would have thought that Usain Bolt investing money and those persons were trusted with Usain Bolt money to diversify in portfolio, invest it in a different asset class. Usain Bolt didn't lose his money because of whatever asset class they invest his money in, whether it goes up or it goes down, and he was on either side. Usain Bolt did not lose his money as per investment. Them thief Usain Bolt money. And you have to tell me, say, the government knows say them thief Usain Bolt money, and somebody who have any form of representation in the government like this as Madia, I won't even call your name. Because this is just a true example of backing the corruption in Jamaica. You know say the man money not lose through him investment. You know say a thief them thiefy. And what is the financial body there for? To protect people like these who say them invest in a legit company that is oversight and governed by the financial body. So when you have a company where deal with anything with money, right? The financial services is supposed to deal with it and make sure that them people are legit. Anything happen, just like when you put your money in the bank. Anything happen, this supposed to happen and that's supposed to happen. Usain Bolt not get back none of money. But Usain Bolt, you have the spotlight and you have the power. If I'm here, you may call them FBI, CIA, everything. I don't care how Jamaica want look. Because if me I live up a country, run off me toe them and me heel them and me foot bottom for your country, and my money missing, and the government doesn't intervene that much, them just validate the other day, say Usain Bolt money was missing. Just validate it the other day if you say yes, Bolt money gone for true, which we know a long time say them thief the man money. And now you have to ask if you ain't get directive indirectly or directly regarding investment and in putting money and lost it. The man not lost them thief the man money. There is a big difference about making an investment and your account wipe out via the investment because you made a bad investment, comparing to when you put your money for invest and then thief it. So no see how people back criminality neatly. So you're going to say, no, Usain Bolt never get no advice. He just made a bad investment. So basically then, he made a bad investment. So what happened with them, the people? They're not thief the man money. You see me a show, no? That's why corruption, crime and them something there. In a Jamaica, it will never done. Because when you have people up at the top of the stream who will back and support certain things, you not have to go come and ask no question. Usain Bolt, you have the spotlight and everybody know you're Usain Bolt. Don't worry about how Jamaica want to look. Just make sure you get back your money. Believe when me tell you that.
Yeah, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and I think you've watched that video. I think I want to be a Jamaican too. I should visit that area because it's really growing. It's for love. It's for peace. Wagwan good people. So Usain Bolt wasn't just fast. He was different. The way he smiled before the finish line, the way he danced after breaking records. It wasn't just confidence. It was pure Jamaican energy on full display. He didn't just win races. He put Jamaica on every screen, in every headlines, and in the hearts of millions who had never looked twice at the Caribbean. Before Bolt, Jamaica was known for reggae, beaches, and Bob Marley, not forgetting the one and only Wild Boss Vibes Cartel. And after Bolt, Jamaica became the sprint capital of the world. His impact is very massive. Tourism went up, sponsors lined up, and young kids across the island started dreaming bigger. He inspired a whole generation not just to run, but to believe on themselves, that they can do it, no matter where they came from. And even now, after retirement, he's still giving back, building up youth programs and funding schools, and even showing the world that greatness can come from anywhere in the world, even a tiny town. You just have to believe in yourself, and that's what the one and only legend brought up in our minds. That winning does not come from one place, it can come from anywhere. It just takes faith and believing in yourself that you can do it and working on it. Usain Bolt didn't just run for gold, he ran for Jamaica. And with every step, he carried the pride of a nation on his shoulders. He changed how the world sees Jamaica and how Jamaicans sees themselves. That kind of legacy, it doesn't fade, it grows. So let me ask you this, folks. What does Usain Bolt mean to you? Drop it in the comments. And if you felt that's the same pride, hit that like button and subscribe, because this channel is all about stories that goes deeper than the headlines. And to all my supporters, you are doing a very wonderful job. Big up yourself. And to those who have not supported me, please do so, because I'm here for you. I'm here to make you updated in each and every statement I hear. So folks, until next time, let's meet in the next episode. Wagwan, big up yourself. I think I want to be Jamaican too. Thank you for watching.